Hello everyone, my name is Bibiana and I will present an initiative of a data paper on the use of crossing structures in Latin America. Crossing structures, like culverts, wildlife underpasses and overpasses, have been installed to provide safe passage for wildlife on linear infrastructure by increasing ecological connectivity and reducing the risks of animal-vehicle collisions. Despite the increasing number of case studies evaluating the use of these structures by wildlife, important questions concerning mitigation effectiveness can be answered only with a comprehensive dataset. This type of dataset should include a large geographical coverage, high landscape heterogeneity, and a diverse set of structures. An open access database on the use of crossing structures by wildlife would allow researchers to explore questions like: which factors are associated with the use of crossing structures by wildlife? And what type and design of a structure is better for different types of species? Thinking about this, we started to work on a data paper on the use of wildlife crossing structures in Latin America called WILDCROSSDATA. This is an initiative from the Road and Railroad Ecology Research Group of Federal University of Rio Grande do Sul in Brazil, the Brazilian Network of Transport Ecology Specialists, and the Latin American and Caribbean Transport Working Group from ICOET. We will include records of wild, feral, domestic and exotic animals, as the last three can also influence the use by wildlife. To build this database, we invited researchers and consultants that have monitored crossing structures in Latin America to join us and share their data as co-authors of this data paper. We have distributed a form to identify possible collaborators and asked some questions to have a glimpse of the kind of data they have available. So these are some of the questions. By now, we have 137 potential contributors from 13 countries. The databases are predominantly for roads, but also included other infrastructures such as channels, pipelines, and railways. The data are mainly from systematic surveys, and the most common method used was camera trap. We are now organizing the spreadsheets to standardize data input from different collaborators. We will have different spreadsheets to collect information about the crossing structures, the survey methods, the species recorded in each method, and the author information. As an example, this one will include information about how the camera trap survey were carried out, and this one will include the species recorded by the camera trap surveys. We will soon send the spreadsheets to be filled by the contributing authors. We will send also a README file and a tutorial with figures explaining how each column should be filled. And we would then check all the data received before submitting the data paper for publication. Our data paper would allow researchers to evaluate which type of structure should be recommended for each target species or group, fostering more efficient use of the limited financial resources for mitigation of fatalities and/or reduced connectivity on linear infrastructures. For more details, you can contact me or access our form. The links available in our abstract. And please share this form with any potential authors you may know. Thank you very much.